We're learning some new details about the murder of a Miramar High School student. 3 teenagers are facing charges in that case. This as a vigil is set for tonight to honor the life of 18-year-old Dwight DJ Grant.
Police say the 3 suspects plotted his death and that there are text messages to prove it. Local 10's Roy Ramos live in Miramar with more on this. Roy.
Louis and Christy, this was such a horrific and violent attack. Investigators with Miramar Police said that teen was attacked right here in that stairwell before the suspects then dragged his body over here to these bushes. Unfortunately, it would be 2 days before he was discovered. A candlelight vigil Tuesday night will honor the life of 18-year-old Dwight DJ Grant, who was killed just feet from his home at the New Park Tower Apartments on Sherman Circle North. His fellow classmates at Miramar High School, 17-year-old Andre Clements, 17-year-old Christine Parisian, and 16-year-old Jocelyn Smith, now charged with his murder. According to an arrest affidavit we obtained, Andre was upset because the victim had sex with his ex-girlfriend. October 11th, Andre texted his current girlfriend, Christy, "Murder will definitely happen soon." Surveillance video shows the teens walking to the victim's apartment on October 17th when investigators said Christy lured DJ out of his home with the promise of sex so that Andre and Jocelyn could ambush him. According to detectives, Andre said to DJ, "You know who I am and why I'm here? You know I have to kill you now." At which point the victim pleaded for them to leave and said if they leave, he will not call police or say anything to anyone. Surveillance video captured the suspects attacking DJ in the stairwell. While police said Jocelyn held him down, Christy acted as a lookout when Andre pulled out a knife, stabbing DJ in the neck, then in the chest with a sword.
I feel bad for the kid's mom, and it's a sad situation for everybody.
So we did reach out to the Broward County State Attorney's Office, who released this statement they read in part. The 3 suspects in the homicide of Dwight Grant will be charged as adults. A team of senior prosecutors reviewed all of the available evidence and circumstances before this decision was made today. Formal charges will be filed in the coming weeks. As we come back out to those bushes there where that teen was found, the state prosecutor went on to say that if these teens were charged as juveniles, the maximum sentence that they would get would be 36 months in jail. So after 3 years, they would be released and monitored only until the age of 21. That obviously having a big impact on the state filing those charges and charging those teens as adults. For now, here in the city of Miramar, Roy Ramos, Local 10 News.
Yeah, so disturbing. Thank you, Roy.